Project name is Fresh Grocery. So it is a user-friendly solution for the customer to shop from the home itself. So here you can order the products and we can see the status also. Like if it is delivered means you will get mail and you can cancel the product before you get delivery. And then this admin pages is there, like admin can access the stock levels and admin can update your status like that. So it is completely based on the real time, like while registering, the OTP will send to your mail. So if that OTP is matched with our register page, so it enters for the login page, then we can access our web pages. So this is our block diagram, like customer interface, like we can manage our accounts. And here it is search and filter the product. So if you search any product like apple mango means, if it is there means it will display only that products, and you can filter it. So if you click the button as fruits, vegetable like that means based on that it will filter. So and then you can click add to cart. After that it will go for your order page. Like before delivery, you can cancel the products. So and then at last it will get delivery. So this is for the customer, and this is for the admin interface. And admin can edit the products, like stock level will be there, right? Like 30, 40, like number of counts can be edited by the managers. So and then view the customer details. The admin can view the customer details. So how many users are logged in our web page like that, admin can view, and monitoring the stock level and status update. So if admin can see as you are a fraud line means, they will remove you as the from the website. And then they can update the status like delivered, shipped, like that. So you will get the real time in mail itself. This is our flask. So by using this, I'm creating a page, like this is our class. So for this class, I will create one object like app. So for that, I'm keeping inside as double underscore name double underscore. So if that name is equal to main means our app will get run. Now let me run this page. Okay, this is our web page. Like see all fruits, dairy, vegetable, it is categories. So here you can search, and this is view shop address, my cart, my order, profile, contact, login. So see here stock level that is available. So if you order any one means the number of count will be reduced. So see here, I'm just here searching like Apple. So only Apple is displaying. So if you search any other product means it will not display. So I'm not keeping it in mango. So if I search that means here it is not displayed. So then you can filter by this button. So if you click vegetable means here vegetables only will display, and dairy means dairy only it will display. And if you click all means everything will get displayed. And then this is our address of the shop. So my cart. So to check the my cart, first of all, we need to log in. So first you need to register. If you register means you will get the OTP. So based on that only you can create the password and you can log in. So already I have registered. Now directly I will log in. So see here it is login successful. Now you can view that my order. So nothing is there. First I will order anyone. See here the stock is number is 30. So this is view detail. So our 1 kg price is 200. So description here it is showing that calories, energy, proteins like that and all. And see one customer has been rated 5 star and nice one. That customer name is Chandru like that. So I can write the reviews here. And I can rate here. If I click submit means see that review submitted. Just now if I view means here the very good product and I have given 4 star. So now I can click the add to cart. See now in our auto cart that name, bill, price, image, number of quantity one, and if you know it means we can remove here. And this is a proceed to checkout. So you can enter your card number and CVV, and you can enter in which address your delivery should be delivered. So if I click submit payment means automatically our order will get. So this is our order. See here. Just now I have ordered this. Our status is pending. So in address is Chennai. Before delivery, you can cancel our product. So my order that now just we have ordered no that will display there, and then in profile which users have logged, it will display here like Chandru. So by using this mail and phone number, I have logged in. And then contact, you can contact if you have any doubt about our products or any query means you can contact by this. If you click submit means automatically the mail will go for the admin pages. Sorry, admin mail. So this is overall for the users. Now I will show for the admin page. So this is our admin page. Like say total users you can see here, like user ID you can view here because I have login by using many mails. So after that I deleted that. So here it is showing one level 12 13 and name showing and what are the mails are using. It is showing here. So and then total orders. So see here it is pending, here it is delivered. So just now I have ordered this. So now admin can ship or deliver whatever you need, you can, and we can update the date in which time it will get delivered. So order I am keeping a status as delivered and I am updating the order. Now if I go and see my customer page means it will show status as delivered and the mail will send for the users also. And then total inventory. Inventory is nothing but our products. So first I will view and show you. So this is our Apple. So see here, image Apple and price. It category we are fixing here fruits. So based on this only we are filtering, right? Like if I click fruits means only fruit will display. So while we are uploading like a dairy or vegetables, you need to mention properly here and we can edit this. So say based on seasonal, like price will get different. So if you need means you can change as 250 and then you can change the description and you can upload any different images. So if I say now means that Apple rate will be 250 and you can delete this also. Newly you can add here. So this is our add inventory. You can add any product from here. So I will add this custard. So just I will click 700 and its category is fruits and then custard. And description, simply writing anything. And if I click add to item means, see now our custard is added, like it is fruit based and is 700. We'll check in users page. So see here, see our item has been added here and availability is 10 and custard. If you view details means, say it is price is 700 on kg and we can rate here. After that you can change the description also. So like this, based on real time, our web page will get displayed.